What's up, everybody? We're back to do a little more pre-race prep. Today we got redo this splitter. It's got some battle scars from last season. So we'll make a new base and get it installed back on the car. Alright, once I got that all torn down, did a little grinding and welding on the structure of the splitter just to make it a little stronger. Okay, so at this point I'm cutting a 4x8 by 1/2 inch thick sheet of PVC plastic to make this splitter base. I bought this at Home Depot, and besides the quick disconnect splitter mounts and the splitter support rods, all the materials you need to make this can be bought at your local home improvement store. So I'll leave a link in the description for all the parts I use. Alright, this is our finished product. Some front aero on a budget. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, just put it in the comments.